Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you how to install, set up and customize the CoreUI Angular dashboard very easily. And friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So first, here's the CoreUI dashboard that I have installed on my local host and works well. See, and I have downloaded from here. The click on first, then run just two commands npm install and ngserve. Then we will have dashboard ready on our local host. See, and this is the file structure I have taken from the Git. See, works well. And the latest version, Angular 20.3.3. And also, I have customized it as well. See, this is the live demo. See, and it's a local host, and you will see the user management navigation, but on live not. So I have added this. So friends, now I will show you how I have done this, and also I will share the code snippet link as well inside this video description, and all the things like GitHub link, commands, and the modify dashboard link as well. All the things you will get easily from my video description. So now I will show you demo. Go to user management page. See, create the table. You can see the users. See, with the delete action and add user button. First, I will show you the delete. See, works well. And now I will add new user. Now we came to the add user page. And role admin. Add. See, user edit. I will add one more and editor. Add. See, works well. So see guys, the user management module works well. Like I said, I will share all the things inside video description like the GitHub link, live demo link, and the modified dashboard code snippet link as well. See, works well. We can delete it easily. See, so it's worked like charm. Now I will show you the few things how I have done this. See, with the simple commands, I have generated the two components inside views and user. See, inside pages, add user and add user list. See, and also I have used the signal insert it. See, insert services file I have used signal. See, and this is my demo data. See, read only signal, and this is add user functionality. Simple, just push the user to this data. And also for showing this navigation, I have just added the first. I will go to the layouts folder, layouts folder, then default layout and inside nav.ts file, and here I have added that link. Very simple. Just name the navigation menu and then the URL and icon. See, this is the icon user. Very simple. And also for for routing inside the views user. First, I have created file inside it and set the routes for two pages like user list and add user. Very simple. As a default, Angular routes. And then I have called this file inside the main Angular app.routes.ts. First, I import on the top, then called here. And friend, that's it. Very simple. Install, setup, and modified it. Friends, I can do the code as well, but I will not take your much time. So for that, I'll share all the thing inside the video description so you can handle yourself. And also, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion, or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, friend, I have my blog. Here is the contact us page. From here, you will also contact me. In this page, you will get my email ID, my WhatsApp number as well. So, guys, also I'm full-time freelancer. You can hire me as well. On my blog, you will get multiple Angular free stuff for like Angular e-commerce site, dashboards, and guys, this is it. In the end, I must say two things. Please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.